How to change username on Crunchyroll. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you through the steps on how you can change username on Crunchyroll, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, changing a username on Crunchyroll, let us say that you want to change the username during the registration process. You enter the username that you don't like it. What you can do is you can go to crunchyroll.com and log into your account, but then if I tap my profile icon from here, and even if I go to this option right here known as my account over here, you can see the edit option and the edit option, and here you can see the username. But this edit option is for the header image and this edit option is for your avatar. So bottom line is that you can't go ahead and then basically change your username on Crunchyroll, and that's simply it. The support section, I also contacted Crunchyroll support. They simply said that you cannot change it. The only thing I can do is I can cancel the membership if you have premium, delete this account and create a new account using a different username, and that way I should be able to solve it. Other than that, there is no any other way. This way you should be able to go ahead and then basically change username on Crunchyroll. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.